Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, Desi Mummy. I'm here today to guide you on an incredibly powerful journey that can help you transform your life in so many positive ways. Today we are going to talk about the importance of meditation and how to incorporate it into your everyday routine. Step 1. Find a quiet spot. First things first, find a quiet and comfortable place in your home where you can meditate without disturbances. It could be any corner or even your garden. The key is to have a space that allows you peace and tranquility. Step 2. Set a time. Next, set aside some time for meditation in your daily schedule. Even if it's just 5 minutes, consistency is what matters the most here. Morning or evening times are generally preferred as they help set the tone for the rest of the day or relax after a busy day. Step 3. Comfortable position. Now get into a comfortable position. You could either sit cross-legged on the floor or on a chair with feet flat on the ground. Keep your spine upright but relaxed. Step 4. Close your eyes. Close your eyes gently. This will help shift your focus from external distractions to internal awareness. Step 5. Focus on your breath. Start taking slow deep breaths and focus all attention on this process of breathing in and breathing out. If thoughts come up, don't push them away, acknowledge them but gently bring back the focus to your breath. Step 6. End your meditation after some time. Slowly open your eyes again and take some moments before getting up again. Meditation is not just an activity, it's a lifestyle change that brings along peace, clarity of thoughts, stress relief and improves overall health when practiced regularly over time. Remember, patience is key. It will take some time before you start noticing the benefits, so don't rush it. That's all for today, folks. I hope this video encourages you all to embark upon this enriching journey of meditation starting from today itself. Until next time, keep spreading positivity around you because there's nothing more satisfying than being at peace with yourself.